fellow traders, Bubba here. It's time for the lunchtime market update for Tuesday, November the 2nd, 2021. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we are with the market here today. So SPX, guys, about 19 points here as we continue to test new all-time highs. A little price discovery up here. Weekly chart over the upper Bollinger Band, and daily chart, guys, looking at that doji sandwich move to the upside. So that definitely inspired us. We still continue to stay over this bump line here. And is this going to be a throwover here going into tomorrow for the Fed? It could be. So watch out for this potential ending diagonal down on SPX going into tomorrow. We'll see. I mean, everybody's expecting the taper tantrum, but you never know. Just because they're expecting it doesn't mean it's not going to do it, right? So let's see what we get going on here. So SPY, again, really low volume as we wait the Fed, but just drifting up on low volume here today. Let's take a look at the some nice dip buys, though, intraday, though. S&P futures, again, pretty much volume today has been pretty blah, right? 28,000 contracts on the opening candle, not very much. But generally trending up, right? So you get the MES right here. We'll go ahead and put a geometric line and see if this holds here today. Okay, so a little bit off on that one because TOS run a little bit slow here. But Qs, guys, really tight range here. IWM, again, strong day yesterday right over the channel, and today back in the channel and getting really just kind of triangulating here, getting really choppy. Not surprised to see a pause day after yesterday's big move, and then we'll see how it responds to the Fed going into tomorrow. XLF with its usual morning dip buy. Seriously, guys, this happens like all the time. It's just huge dip buys in the XLF, so pretty big move right there. The IWM actually had a pretty decent dip buy this morning too, kind of triangulating up here as it waits for the Fed as well. The VIX has generally been consolidating here pretty tightly. It's down, of course, with the market up, but going into the Fed, so we'll see how that goes. Apple, guys, action name from the bubble report this morning. Again, our levels played out phenomenally. Really nice move to the upside right here. Retested the levels and then back up again for a strong move on Apple. We pointed this out for you guys in the live stream this morning. This is a pullback to the 80 MA here, I believe, on the 15-minute chart. Nice pullback, test, strong move, 15-hour breakout off of this line right here, and a great move up, and still continue to grind its way up here today. Again, right from the bubble report this morning on the action name list, and one of our members pointed it out in the group this morning too, reminded us about it, which was great. Tesla, really choppy, sloppy, basically an inside day after yesterday's big move, and some news this morning, but it's generally holding up with the negative news, so we'll see how that goes going forward. Coin, I pointed this out to you guys earlier. This is what we drew on the live stream this morning. All right, we got a nice volume breakout on this one for a good move. The options are a little bit rough because we got earnings coming up here, but great on shares and a nice move. And some of our members did debit spreads, which we encourage, especially when premiums are really high and you don't get chopped out as much. So that ended up giving a great move right there. And of course, guys, we got to look at CAR. What a great move here today, guys. Incredible. We were alerted to this one by ChatterQuant, guys. If you guys haven't checked out our videos so far this week, definitely look at the social media series that we're doing this week. Really incredible stuff. Again, a nice close into the 236 right here too for a rubber band breakdown on this one as well. But incredible move here on CAR today, as it had unusual earnings and a big short float on it, which is pretty cool. So big move on that. OCGN, guys, we pointed out the oof on this one here today. Still working its way down. Members did well on it, so good job there. We also found this on ChatterQuant too, right when it was starting to move down. So it's like, okay, that looks pretty good. And then you do the rubber band, right? Rubber band technique back up, and then you short it here off of the first move, right? So basically right off the 382, came back down and made a good move, and our members did well with that one too. So good stuff there. Okay, a couple chart requests here on the radar. We got Bitcoin of 25,000 here today. Not as much as move on some of the minor names today, but all good there. Facebook. Let's take a look at Facebook. A little bit of a drop there, right, today. So it's kind of looking like a harmonic wing. On the bearish side, right? So if we go right here again, looking like an outside day today, see how it closes. It's holding on to the 80 MA. Again, Fed day, I wouldn't really swing anything into Fed day. At least not hold through the Fed, right? So we'll see how that goes. But it's even close below the 80 MA here today. Again, volume is a little bit blah so far, but we'll see if it gets any action at the end of the day. Metaverse, there's like some chatter about that. They're going to spend like $10 billion to change their branding around. Oh, it's already called Meta Platforms on here? Goodness gracious, that's so corny. Meta Platforms Inc. COM CLA. Wonderful. So that's FB ticker. Boring. So anyway, Nike apparently making virtual shoes with it too. So we got that going on. All right, a couple other requests out there. We got AMD, fresh all-time highs today, guys. Decent strength at the open today. We'll see how it closes. Again, nice breakout from yesterday. GME again got a little bit of a dip by intraday as it kind of pulled back to the 50-day moving average ADMA for a nice pop there today. And oh, here's one of the miners here today as well. Actually, not too bad. Pretty much a gap and go type move today on Mara. Yesterday was an amazing day on Mara, and today is still going. Let's take a look here at this one. We looked at this today. Yeah, kind of tricky little price action right here, but call spreads would look pretty good on those. So nice stuff there. And then and that's it. That's all we got here for today, guys. Really appreciate the requests. We'll see you guys at the market wrap again. Expecting generally the market to kind of hang in there today. It depends if we get below the. If we come back below 46.30 with any sort of authority today, we might test the 46.20 level if things get going fast. But other than that, expecting just kind of hang out, chop, that type of stuff, and then we'll see what happens with the Fed tomorrow. But anyway, guys, we'll update you at the close for the market wrap. So then, stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And we'll